Hey y'all, and we back with the 4 series, I'll say, for some Fenty Beauty Plush Mattemoiselle lipstick. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Mikara Reid. I am an image consultant and a whole host of things in the fashion and retail industry. And I just been on like a rampage on just doing a review on some of these lipsticks. If you have not checked it out, I did a nice little review on Candy Venom, Tiger Tiny or Teeny, however you want to pronounce it, and Flamingo Acids. If you want to get my point of view, you have to go back and watch the video. Yes, it's not that long, okay, because I'm not a beauty like guru or a makeup enthusiast or makeup expert. I'm just an image consultant. I do very much care about my overall well-being, and definitely for my girls who are not into makeup and just want to try on a different type of color. I mean, we've been cooped up in this house. We really cannot try on anything, and hey, I'll be the mannequin for you guys, all my dark skin girls. Okay, if you just want to see, get a live, interaction, I'm here for you girls. So for this last one, we will be trying PMS. It's a little dark for my aesthetic. I did bring another like lip pencil. I could not find the one that I wanted to try, but I probably ran out of it. But we're gonna see how this goes, because the color that's on the packaging, it looks a lot dark. I don't know what I was thinking when I was just purchasing, but I just saw a sale. It said $9, and I just thought, oh, this will look cute, and I just add to the bag. So we're gonna try this nice little number, and we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna try with just the lipstick, and then we're also gonna try with the liner. I did that with Tiger Teeny because the color, like I said, the orange, my undertones have a lot of golds and reds, and I was just very skeptical about that color, that pure orange. I added a different liner, but we want to see. Okay, so again, we are trying PMS, and here we go. Son, did we get into these earrings? Okay, let me do this angle so y'all can see the earrings. I definitely said in the first one that I will be switching up, because I am that girl when it comes to earrings. Okay. I can definitely see why you call this PMS. It's not too like gothic. Yeah, I could definitely see why she called this like PMS. This is definitely like a nice little nude for someone who's like that's darker than me, a shade darker than me. But this is actually not that bad. This is not that bad. It has like a hint of like black cherry. Just a little bit. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's a bit dark. If I had something like lighter on, like a white shirt maybe, or a red, that would be very drastic. But it's not that bad. It's definitely not that bad. I would brighten this up with like a fuchsia. I would brighten this up with a fuchsia. Like I said, I'm not trying to be on a dark vibe. It's been an extremely very dark year for me, and I don't want no more of that energy. Yeah, this lip liner not going to do it. I need MAC. MAC liners does me justice. Like, it does me justice. I'm not going to say what brand this is because I'm not going to call them out because I actually like their liquid lipstick, but I don't even know why I'm trying it while my lipstick is on, but it's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. I would get a fuchsia, like plum type of lip liner just to brighten it up, just to add some color, a burst of color, and just mix it with something. But I'm actually I'm actually liking it. It's not that bad. I don't think it's bad. I'm actually not going to try it with a liner. So you guys let me know if you are feeling PMS. Again, I did not try any liner. I mean, I was going to put the fuchsia, but the brand that I have, you see how sharp it was. It doesn't do anything for my lips, and I couldn't find it for my MAC. But yes, this is PMS. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you are going to buy it, if you're thinking about buying it, let me know down below in the comments. Definitely give me a thumbs up. Definitely share my videos. Let another dark skinned girl know and see the reaction. Well, not the reaction, but see the experience of these colors. I actually like this. I would not mind wearing it. It's definitely moisturizing. Again, like I said, I'm already familiar with the formula. It does good. If you haven't checked out my test long wear, definitely check out the other previous videos. But yes, so yes, this is my series for now. Because I just was like, let me make a video on my new purchases from Fenty Beauty, me just getting it. But yes, this is a series of me just doing a review of the lipsticks. Since I wanted something new, I've been doing a lot of Zoom calls, and I wanted to just add in a good pop of color, because I'm already good with the accessories. So I just wanted to add to my lipstick collection, and I'm more than likely, like, I'm very happy that I purchased these. I could definitely do something with these, even though the one that doesn't really go with my undertones, I still added like a lip pencil just by eyeing it, and I was just like, yeah, I like this, and I know what else I can do to it to make it work for me. But yes, Riri, I am happy with the Mattemoiselle collection. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy my video. Make sure y'all thumbs up. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all lovely ladies later. Bye, y'all.